Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ishu and today we will discuss about the causes of renal failure. How does renal failure happen? So there are many causes for renal failure to occur, but today we will discuss about the 5 most common causes of renal failure. So the first most common cause of renal failure is, or you can say the leading cause of renal failure is diabetes. So when the diabetes is not controlled or the person has diabetes for many years, what happens is the excess sugar, it gets filled in your blood vessels and damages your kidney functions, which leads to decreased kidney functions and also damages the blood vessels. So the extra sugar deposited in a diabetic patient's blood, it acts as a poison for the kidneys as well. So the second most common cause of renal failure is hypertension or high blood pressure. About 28% of the renal failure cases, they are due to hypertension or high blood pressure. So what happens in hypertension is the high blood pressure, it creates extra pressure to the kidneys which damages the filters of the kidneys. Now the third major cause of renal failure is the abuse of allopathic and Ayurvedic medicines. So the most of the allopathic medicines, they are nephrotoxic and hepatotoxic. That is, they damages your kidneys as well as your liver. So nowadays you can see that most of the patients, they do not even bother to consult to a doctor for their problems. They rather go to a chemist shop directly to buy the medicines without any proper prescription, which as a result leads to severe side effects of the medicines. So it's better not to do that, and it's my advice to all the patients out there, you better consult to a proper homeopathic doctor and seek their advice for your treatment. Another cause for renal failure is renovascular diseases, in which the arteries that supply the blood to the kidneys, they get blocked. The last reason for renal failure is obstructive nephropathy, in which there is obstruction to the flow of urine, which leads to the backflow of urine. And this obstruction can be due to stone, stricture, or maybe due to prostate enlargement in males, or maybe due to pelvic cancers in females. So these all are some of the most common causes which can lead to renal failure. So one should have a sound knowledge about all these causes which can cause them renal failure, and should try to avoid all of these. So for more such informative videos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.